welcome to my bathroom today. I really wanted to come in here today and show you how to use the new Magnitone BareFaced 2. I actually have done a Magnitone review probably years ago, maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. It was pink, it was my favourite. Unfortunately, from moving from my parents to my own home, it is gone missing. I've either lost it in the move or one of my sisters have taken it. But I was really happy when Magnitone kindly sent me their new one, because this has more features which I'm really excited about, especially the post-cleanse toning mode. Toning is something that is really beneficial if you have problematic skin like I do. Unfortunately, I do suffer from blemishes, and I wouldn't say it's acne prone, but it's very hormonal. It can almost act as if it, like I do have acne, but sometimes it's fine. My skin really does have a mind of its own, and I notice when I take care of it, it takes care of me, and when I neglect it, unfortunately, my skin goes wild. And I found that using a facial cleansing brush actually helps so much. And this one, yeah, it has 3 modes because my skin is very sensitive. Like I said before, it kind of reacts if I don't look after it. If I'm too harsh with it, it just flares up. So I like that this has 3 modes, sensitive to deep cleansing modes. So this is the box. You know what, it is not scary at all to use, so don't feel like you can't buy this and use it at home, because we're going to do it together and you're going to see how easy it is. But it has very clear instructions at the back. It also comes with a USB charger in the box as well, which is good because you can take this on your travels, and it also comes with a head. So yeah, if you do want to take it on your travels, it comes with a cap just like this. So you can pop it on, pop it in your wash bag, and you're good to go. And another head for the toning, which is kind of rubbery, and I'm really excited to show you how this works. What also comes in the box, which I was really happy about because I don't believe I got it in my very first Magnitone pink brush, is this stand, because I feel like it looks so chic and nice in your bathroom instead of having it laid down. This can help it dry better, keeps the brush in good condition, the bristles don't become flat if you are lazy like me sometimes and you don't put the cap on. So I like putting this in my bathroom, and I know that it is going to be well looked after. I have the white with the rose gold accent, and I absolutely love this. It fits in with my bathroom decor so well. And yeah, let's get using this. I love beauty gadgets, and I know I don't speak about it enough, but a facial cleansing brush honestly is like the best thing that's like since sliced bread. Is that good. So if you really want something that's going to help change your skincare game, I recommend investing in at least a face cleansing brush. So I have, it is Sunday today, I don't have a ton of like full face glam that I would normally do, but I still use this brush in the same way. So I like to do a first step cleanse with micellar water, and the one that I'm using is from Garnier. It is their Skin Active, and this is their oil infused micellar water. This is great for sensitive skin. You give it a little bit of a shake, and then you pour it onto a cotton pad. So I'm just gonna put my lipstick off and then flip it over, do my skin. So this is great to remove really stubborn, tough makeup. So for me, that is like long wear lipsticks. I like a foundation that lasts all day, and mascara. Now onto my second step cleansing, and this really does penetrate really deep, so I know I'm going to get a good cleanse from this. I'm using the Alpha H Balancing Cleanser. This has aloe vera, and it gently removes makeup. It is a lotion consistency, and you can use this on your eyes as well. I love all the Alpha H range, especially if you suffer from acne. This is really going to help balance your skin and help with acne. So what's also great about this is that you can use it wet. It is 100% waterproof, and the bristles have a special technology, which means that is antibacterial as well, because you don't want to be moving around, especially if you have spots and they're open, move that bacteria onto other places of your face, or keep it on the brush for it to live on, so the next time you use it, you're just putting that nastiness back onto your skin. So it's really scientific. I don't know how they do it. It's probably a big massive secret of theirs. It comes with an authenticity card to say that it is antibacterial bristles, and that I think it's patented especially to Magnitone. So I like to, with this cleanser, I think you can use it with any cleanser. I mean, this is a lotion based one. I pour it directly onto the brush, then I add a little bit of water. Like I said, do not feel afraid to have this wet. You can put it into your shower or do it in the bath. It is not going to break on you. Now, I'm going to do the first step. It has 3 modes, like I said. I'm going to do the first one. And this also has, you can hear it, it has and you can see, look how deep it penetrates into the skin. This has a 20-second timer to let you know that you need to move from one section of your face to the other. You hear a beep when it's time to move on to the next section. And I also like to use this on my neck as well. Now for the toning brush, how I like to use this is, this clicks out so easily. Click on the toning brush. I like to give my face a spritz of the La Roche-Posay Zinc. It is a zinc sulfate solution. It also soothes. Shake it, spray it on my face. Gosh, I'm running low on it. Like the last little bits. And then I go in with the toning brush. Now this has high intensity vibrations that basically gives the skin on your face a really good workout. You can hear that beep that tells you it's time to move on to the next section. And this just gives a boosting microcirculation for under the skin to get it working. It is like a face gym for your face. This is really going to bring life back into your skin, and once you're done, that is it. Now this is my main problem, which is where I like to focus. This is like the fleshy part of my skin. This is where I like to focus mainly on the toning. So yeah, and then that is it. And then you can just take this off and give it a good clean. I just use hand soap. I know that's probably not the best, but I have this beautiful one from Crabtree and Evelyn. It is their citron and coriander hand soap. So it's very gentle, very effective, and it smells like summer in a bottle. And I just put a little bit of this onto that, run it under the hot tap, and that's it. And then it will just dry. I can either put it back into the brush head, pop it onto my stand like I said, and it will dry. And that is it. And you know what, it is so small and compact. I can have it on my shelf, which is where my camera is currently. It blends in. The battery life on this lasts so long. It has a USB touch charger, so you just touch the end onto the bottom here, nothing to plug in, so you don't get water inside, and that charges it. All in all, this is like, it is really, my face just feels so clean, so fresh, and it just feels like it's, I don't know, like warm and fuzzy from the vibrations. It feels really, really good. I will then finish up with the rest of my skincare routine, which I will save for another video because it's quite extensive. I want to say a massive thank you to Magnitone. It is not sponsored, but they kindly did gift it to me, so all opinions are my own, and I just really wanted to share it because I feel like if you're someone like me who is so self-conscious about her skin, then this is a really great addition. And I can probably go on and on about how good it is, but definitely check out my first video that I ever did. I will link it down below. I actually want to go back and watch it myself because I looked so different back then, and it was something I was so excited about, getting into skincare and really adding gadgets and products that are going to help. Definitely, I will leave the link and prices down below. I know this is actually on QVC as well, and I am a QVC lover. You know, I present on there, so they always do amazing deals. So if I can find one, because I believe this is like £90, and on QVC it's like a really good rate, like just 75 or something like that. So if I can find it, I will definitely leave it down below and share it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want me to share any more beauty gadgets that I do have, I have one, which, should I give you a little sneak peek? Okay, there you go. Now that looks really scary, but it really isn't. So if you want to see a video on how to use that gadget and what it is, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.